Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. I will be showing you a tutorial on how to make this lovely, super lovely African duster jacket, and this will be a very detailed tutorial. I'm back and I'm much better than ever, so let's get started. The first thing you want to do is find a pencil gown pattern and place your fabric on a fold 4 times and place the pattern on the gown and measure the total length of how long you want the jacket to be. Mine was about 63 inches. Right now I'm trying to measure out 63 inches vertical on the fold. I told you I folded twice, so that makes it 4. So that will put the front and the back together. So I'm cutting out the front and the back pattern together. If you can get a pencil gown pattern, you can always buy it at a store, at the store and find like a pencil gown pattern, or you can place a pencil gown you have at home and use that as a pattern to cut out the jacket. Now what I'm doing right now is I'm measuring out the measurement points, the bust points. Right now I'm checking out the waist points, the bust points, and the gown length again, just to be sure about how much length I'm using. So right now after dividing the measurements, the bust was 36 divided by 4, that is 9 inches. I'm adding 3 inches allowance at the sides. That will definitely make the jacket a bit poofy, and it will also give a very smart finish. So what you're going to do right now is you divide your measurements, your bust and your hip, by 4. You add it at the sides with the tape measure and you chalk out the measurements. And now you connect all the dots together. I'm connecting the bottom part of the gown to the top part of the gown pattern, so that will make me a long straight jacket. After cutting out the shape of your long jacket gown, it's still a gown for now. Next thing we're going to do is cut out the round neck, the neckline. Because it's a jacket, it has to be high at the back and low on the front. So I'm going to make the jacket wideness of the jacket to be around 4 inches, and the drop should be about 1.5 inch. So you're going to have 4 inches wide and 1 inch low, 1.5 inch low. That is what I'm doing right now. Now, the next thing we are doing right now is forming out the slope of the jacket. What I'm doing is that I'm going to take in the jacket at the front with about 2 or 1.5 inches, and I'll connect that split place with the top, and that will form that V slope shape that jackets usually have in the front. And I'll call them out. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm about to shape and connect the dots together from the front to the 1 inch I took in at the lower part. So for this next part, you can skip it if you want, but I love this part because I love it when my jackets have like a little bit of lapels in the front. So to make this, you can skip it like I said, but to make this, you cut out your fabric and cut out 4 inches. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna chalk out 4 inches and cut them out, and I get like a long straight line. And that long straight line I will use to hem the neckline of my jacket, from the front to the neckline to the back. I was just aiming the ammo of the jacket. That was it. So next thing I want to do now is this important part. You can skip it if you want, but if you want the whole complete jacket to look good, you should not skip this part. I am cutting out the sleeve for the jacket. So the thing is, I make patterns for everything I do. So I have a pattern already for a sleeve. But if you don't have a pattern for a sleeve, you can buy it at the sewing supply store, or you can make yours by yourself by tracing out your old t-shirt sleeve and place it on a paper and trace it out from the inside out. Maybe I'll make a video one day about that. So what we do right now is I'm folding the fabric into 4 places, and I'll place my sleeve pattern on the fabric, and I'll cut out a sleeve to join to the jacket. After cutting out the sleeve, that's what we're about to be doing right now. You are going to join all your pieces together. You join the jacket front and back at the shoulders, join them together. You're gonna put in the straight line I cut out the other time and use it to hem in the jacket at the neckline, and you will connect the sleeve to the armhole of the jacket. I did not make a video of my joining of the sewing. I did not know why. I'm sorry, but please, if you give me a big thumbs up or a like and you comment in the comment section, I will be sure to make a complete sewing video. So thank you for watching the video. Have a great nice day. Love ya. Bye.